So, nandito kami sa Mosque Street. Ayan yung Pagkalamin Galaxy Buds 27 Mosque Street. And then if you would notice, itong stretch ng street na to, may mga ganyan siyang facade eh. So I think it's all part of display. Para kang nasa set ng Hollywood movie. Pero yung loob niya, hindi siya functional yung mga veranda. Parang nga siyang ginawang uniform for it to be pleasing. Pero maganda. That's our hotel there. Galaxy Buds 27 Mosque Street. Big for 6. Unfortunately, Papa is not here because of passport issues.